So, what are those themes that will lead the Nifty to 27,500?
From the large cap space, at least for the near term,
We're here with Manav Chopra, the ED of technicals at Novama. He has a very ambitious target for the Nifty. And what is it, Manav, that you will think that the Nifty could go to in the near term, and what's leading to the positive outcome?
see, we have already been quite bullish on the markets, but from here on, remain very constructive for the markets going to 27,500. And also, we have noticed that, the Indian markets have been quite underweight the emerging markets. I think a tailwind from the macro tailwind, along with certain sector themes, which will be taking it higher from here. So we are very constructive, and I think mid caps also will be coming back.
So, what are those themes that will lead the Nifty to 27,500?
From the large cap space, at least for the near term, the sectors like IT, it has been a massive underperformer, and with shorts and under ownership, I think this is going to be one additional tailwind for the markets going higher. For the IT index, I have a upside target of close to 40,000, and LTIM with Infitech are going to be the play in that. Along with that, the under ownership and currently no shorts is going to be infra space names like Reliance, your Larsen, Adani ports from the large cap. From the mid cap, it will be GMR Airport, your Bail. These are the construct which will be doing very good for the markets in the near term perspective.
There is a very interesting comment by you on PSU banks as well. It's a space that's actually done well. What leads to the positive, momentum on that as well for you, even from these levels?
So for the PSUs particularly, my earlier thoughts have been where the PSUs will outperform the private banks, and I think this template will continue. So I don't see any reason for it to reverse. There's a possibility that there might be a consolidation, but the PSU bank as an index will do very good going forward. And within the BFSI segment, the PSU's capital market is the theme. Particularly for the PSUs, names like Canara Bank and PNB, I'm quite constructive that even from the current levels in a very good bull case, and if the structural starts to play out with some additional tailwinds, even a good bull case of 30-50% even from the current levels should not be ruled out. So remain very constructive on this thing.